Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing the Verizon 5G home internet and looking at the setup process, speeds and the real world performance in 2026. So Verizon 5G home internet uses fixed wireless technology instead of cables or fiber. A small 5G gateway in your home connects to the nearest Verizon 5G tower and then creates a Wi-Fi network for your devices. Because it is wireless, there is no need for underground cables or technician installation in many cases. The service typically includes unlimited data, no long-term contracts, and router equipment included with the plan. So the setup of it is very simple. Most of the people are going to receive a 5G gateway device that can be installed within just a few minutes. In order to basically set it up, you need to plug the gateway near the window or any open area for better signal. Then turn on the device and wait for the 5G signal to connect. Use the Verizon app to finish the Wi-Fi setup and create your network name. Now, if I talk about the internet speed and the performance, so speed is one of the biggest selling points of Verizon 5G home internet. The typical speeds include around 100 to 300 Mbps download speeds for standard plans, up to 1 Gbps on the higher tier plans in strong 5G areas. Upload speeds usually around 20 to 75 Mbps. Performance can be depending on your location. Homes closer to the Verizon's ultra-wideband 5G towers may see very fast gigabit level speeds, while homes farther away might experience slower performance. So, if this video helped you understand Verizon 5G home internet better, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.